Alright, so your hand sanitizer spray gun, it working, but it leaking really bad. Stick around, watch this video. I'll show you what is the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so we have a hand sanitizer, right? This sanitizer gun, and the problem with this now, whenever I put it on, right, it's leaking. Right, it's leaking right below here, it's leaking. Alright, so I'll put it on and show you. It's leaking. Alright, so put it on. See? Alright, so it's leaking right here, right? So sometimes when it's leaking right here is because of this hose. Right? Sometimes the hose is damaged. It bursts in the end. It have a split in the end, so the liquid coming through the end. Or sometimes it's this part that hold the hose. Right, this little pipe here. So I will open it up and show you what is the problem and why leaking. Alright, so there's, let me see, at 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 screws, about 9 screws I have to remove them. Alright, so we have the battery, we have the motor, we have the circuit board across here too. Now the thing with this now, right, the reason why it's leaking is because of this. Now this two hose, right, it's supposed to hook up on one hose on this pipe here, on the other hose on the other pipe. As you can see, the length of the pipe is mashed up, so the hose cannot reach to fit inside the pipe. So to fix this now, see, it dry rot. Alright, so this is supposed to come inside here. That's supposed to go inside here, but it cannot go in. It cannot go in because the pipe in this plastic pipe in this is too short. Right, so it won't go in. Now to fix this now, you have to change this part. You have to change this plastic part right here to fix this. Right, so you could probably go online and look for this part and get this part to change. When you change this plastic part here, it will work again. It will line up with this tube, will install in this pipe there, and it will work again. So that is the only way this could fix if this replace. Alright, so there you have it. Now you know how to repair your hand sanitizer gun. Whenever it's leaking, you have an idea what is the problem and how to fix it. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.